Hi ladies and gentlemen, today I was going to show you how to check and maintain your battery in your vehicles. My boss, when I was working 3 years ago, she had a car that was a Toyota Corolla, and one day her car wouldn't start. So I thought, okay, we'll get out there and look at it. I lifted the battery, I lifted the hood and looked at her batteries, and the battery posts on her positive and negative battery was completely, wow, that door's hot as fire, was completely coated in corrosion. And I'll show you what I use to protect from corrosion. Get this can in the shade because it is hot as fire. I use WD-40 to protect from battery acid corrosion. And I'll pop the hood here and give you guys a little ooh, that door's hot as fire. Whew. That green paint holds heat. But what I use to protect against corrosion on my batteries is WD-40. I get this from Walmart, AutoZone. It is WD-40 Specialist Water Resistant Silicone Lubricant. Multi-surface, quick dry, and protects against rust. And WD-40 is what they call water displacement. It creates a barrier against water. I've noticed a lot of guys, and I never have noticed this personally, but they say that you can use WD-40 on your handguns and rifles and stuff. I would not recommend that. It's I would recommend you breaking your rifles or guns, handguns down and personally cleaning them, and also using gun lubrication oil, and also never getting them near water, because nothing loves water. It's highly allergic to water. But on all vehicles, let's see here, I hadn't got a battery for this Pontiac right here, but it takes a side post. And side posts, they from what I've seen, they really like to corrode. This fan right here, my mother's 2003 MPV, it's top post. My truck is top post. My 1979 Dodge Aspen is top post. I'm going to set the camera down here a minute so I can open the hood. Sorry about the camera angle. Yeah. Man, that hood's hot as fire. Alright, I'll explain you about the batteries here. Can't tell, but on this truck, your negative's right here, your positive's right here. This battery is from 2017. It was made in August of 2017. No, excuse me, July of 2017. It's a Super Street. I don't know if they make Super Streets anymore. I do not know where this battery was bought. May come with a truck when I bought the truck, for all I know. The man that bought it 25 years ago. It may be well, I'm gonna say it's not 25 years old because that date's off. But anyway, you can probably, you see that white stuff there? That's corrosion. That will actually interfere with the connection of this positive and negative connection on your battery. You cannot let these posts get corroded. What I like to do is take my WD-40 here, I'll shake it up, and I'll spray it on the terminals. And you can watch this. I'll see if I can do it. Spray it on there. I need some more. I need some. See how it kind of eats away from it? But anyway, that's what I'll use on my batteries. Like I said, that battery is 17, 18, 3 years old. And it's Batteries, some batteries, it depends on how often they're used, don't last a year, but I could be wrong. I may be wrong. I'm not perfect, but whenever I get a low battery in my vehicle, I'll take that vehicle. If I can't drive it, I'll bring it home, and I have a battery charger I bought at Walmart. I paid $50 for it, and it takes 16 hours to charge that battery, and I'll do that. And that's how I've maintained my battery in my vehicles. Now this Aspen battery, I got that Aspen back in, I believe it was either 2009 or 2010, and I had to get another battery for it because the battery that was coming with the car was old. But the battery the same battery I bought is still going because I keep it charged up. But anyway, you have to keep your battery terminals clean if you want your vehicle to start. When there's corrosion on your battery terminals, it's prohibiting electrical connection getting to the starter and the alternator. So it'll kill everything. But anyway, guys, that's my explanation on how-to videos and how to maintain your batteries. If you can, please like, share, and subscribe on my videos. It really helps. This will be my 81st video that I made for my channel so far. I'll continue on making them. I'm trying to get up to 100 videos with the Lord willing and your help. Also, I'd like to get up to 100 subscribers. I'm halfway there. I got 63. But anyway, I'll see you on the next one.